Friday morning, folks. That's right. End of the week, and guess what? First day of a new month. September's over, October's here. Let's roll. Doesn't matter what happened last month. We got a clean slate now, so let's go get after it. Speaking of last month, S&P 500 was down just over 4.5%. Broke a 7-month win streak. No factor. We're ready to roll. Markets are in the green today. S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, you name it, all trading higher as we head into the opening bell. Other markets, FX, we've seen that dollar on a wild ride the past couple days. Strength to the upside. Fairly flat this morning, coming off some of those highs. Euro dollar, which had broken below 1.16, had a 115 handle on it. We're seeing it trade just above 1.16 this morning. Oil been crazy as of late as well. Seeing oil trade a bit lower this morning. Not a lot of action there in this morning trade. However, something to keep an eye on. Has been some volatility in that market. We've got inflation data due out this morning. That's created some trading opportunities as of late with some of these numbers. CPI, PPI, personal consumption coming out today. These numbers have been moving the market, so let's get ready. All right, folks, it's Friday. Let's go get some. Let's have a great day. Let's start this month strong. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.